Hello. I have been busy recently and did not have much time to do videos. Today, I want to give you an app I build which generates code for Siemens and Allen Bradley PLCs using AI. Let's start. We can select free and paid AI options. The idea is simple. Instead of starting with a blank block in TIA Portal or Studio 5000, I describe the logic in plain English, choose the platform, and let the app generate the first version of the PLC code. First, we need API key. For example, for OpenAI, we can create new key on account menu under API keys. Give it a name and create secret key. API key will be generated. Do not share it with anyone. Copy key and paste it into AI generator. To check if we communicate with AI agent, click Test AI button. In the log window, you should see successful connection. The app sends the request to the AI model, cleans and validates the generated SCL, and shows it in the preview window. I can review the code before anything is written into TIA Portal. We start by opening folder where our TIA Portal project is located. I created prompt to generate code for lift with 3 levels and insert it into AI request window. Generate code button will send request to ChatGPT, and now we're waiting for its response. If we're happy with our generated code, then we can click Create FB in TIA button. TIA Portal project now will open, and our function block will be automatically inserted into project. Log says that import has been completed. Now we can open TI project and check if new FB has been created. We have multiple PLC here, and it should generate it in PLC 1 as we stated in our app. Here is our function block. We can now open it and check if logic is there. Looks good as the start. Of course, it will require more testing, but this app gives you some ideas how to program PLC. It is for learning purposes, not to replace a programmer. So OpenAI ChatGPT is not free, but you can choose, for example, Gemini. Gemini has free versions. We just need to select it from the list and add API key. Click Use Defaults and test AI. If successful, log will state that AI provided response. We can try to generate code now. Looks like free AI did a job. We can select tick box to overwrite existing block and click Create FB. As we can see, existing block has been replaced with Gemini code. We can do the same generation with Allen Bradley PLCs too. I have changed prompt a bit to be more suitable for Studio 5000. We'll give now a name to add-on instruction we are going to generate. Before auto import, I need to change path from my TIA Portal project to Studio 5000 project. Once it's done, we can start creating add-on instruction. Log says it is completed. Let's check Studio 5000 project. Tags and parameters are created. Logic as well. We can find data types generated too. This app is free to download. Link will be provided in description. Let me know if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to let it grow.